Greeting, this is Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at how we can actually format a Microsoft Word document, right? So we're going to bring up the instruction and then we're going to go directly through this instruction, right? If you notice right here, basic Microsoft Word, right? So I say how to open a blank Microsoft Word document, say how to enter data into the document. It's say insert a cover page, say add a paragraph border, paragraph 3, indent paragraph 4, right? And say insert a photo and wrap text it, and say how to put the photo in the middle of the paragraph. So add a column to the document, insert a page number to the document, insert a page border on all pages except the cover page. So we're going to be looking at that particular area. So just going to jump in that particular section. We're going to open Microsoft Word document. So right here in the taskbar, I have one already. So I'm going to click it, right, and allow it to open. And if you notice, this is the happy signal, right? So now we're in the blank document. So let me try this now. Do, alright? So if you notice, all of these are known as tabs. We have the File tab, we have the Home tab, right? We have Insert, we have Design tab, right? And here we have the Layout, Reference, Mailing, View, Reviews, and Develop, right? When you click on the Home tab, what you will see the ribbon. All this is a ribbon right here. Within the ribbon, these are some groups. So you have Clipboard group, you have Font group, you have Paragraph group, and you have Style, you have Heading. Right, within this group, you have a launch button, which is this small here. So right, when you click on it, this is what comes up. And why it is? Simply because everything could hold inside this group. You notice everything could hold in the group. So you have to create a launch button and all of that for all that to happen. Right? So very important. So next thing we're going to be looking at, right, is how to enter data in the document. Very important. Alright. So I'm going to enter a simple code, right, to get some paragraph to speed up the process. So what I want to do, I'm going to say equal RAND, right, and then I'm going to put a bracket just like that. Alright, so I want to put 10. Right, let me put 10 right here. Wait a minute, let me put 0, and then I'm going to put a bracket here. Then I'm going to press enter, and here you go with all of my paragraph right here. If you notice, let me scroll up, see all of the paragraphs right so far. Alright, so notice scroll up to the top. So this is all the paragraph. So paragraph, right? So the next thing that we wanted to do is insert a cover page. Alright, so we're going to go right up here, say insert. Right, and insert tab, you notice over here to the left corner. Right, this is your cover page. When I click on this little pointer, why I click on the pointer, I give you option. Right, if you notice, these are the different. And if you notice on here, it's a more cover page from Microsoft.com. Right, it shows that you can move the current one. But if you notice, you come right here. This is the scroll bar. When you click right here, notice you actually access it more. Right, I click it again, you get some more. Right, so I'm going to choose this one. Right, I want to choose this particular one. If you come right up here, and if I click here, right, you notice it really did. So when I click here, notice this little point, I can click right here. Alright, if you want to put a date, it's up to you which type of date. So I'm going to click on today's date. And notice it's up here. Alright, so this now, you can put a document like this now and say, alright, so homework, home, alright, an example, here, right, and then the homework now have to do with, so for instance, say computer, software, right, software, right, let me correct this right here, good. So I'm going to scroll down the line. That finish that. I'm going to scroll up, press notice right up here. Right, I'm going to click right here. Right, and in here I can actually type my name inside here. Just like that. And what I can do, I can put the cursor right here. I can drag it to the left. Just like that. And click it. Alright, so there we go with document actually taking shape so far. we're going to look at the next instruction now. Alright, next one say add a page, add a paragraph border around paragraph 3. Alright, so let us do that. Alright, scroll up a little bit. Alright, this is paragraph 1, this is paragraph 2, and this is paragraph 3. In order for you to do that, you have to black the whole entire paragraph like that, and then you're going to click on Home tab. When you click on the Home tab, right on a paragraph, right paragraph here, the icon above paragraph, right, you're going to click on this one, look like a window. Right here, when you click on it, you can come down to all border, right, outside border, right, and click on it. So this is what you call a paragraph border. Bear in mind, a paragraph border is different from a page border. That is very important. That's where you get a paragraph border. Alright, so for this one, now we're going to indent paragraph 4. Right, so what we're going to do now, so this is 3 and this is 4. So we're going to lock it again. Alright, and then we're going to click on the Home tab. Right, if you notice, you go on Home tab, you come right here in paragraph again, and above paragraph, right? So this is indent, right? I want indent. You notice this time I click, the paragraph is indented, right? Good. So this is very important. So if and when a teacher asks you how to indent, that's the way you go. And that teacher know if you want to indent, that's the way you actually do it, right? So very important, right? It's a insert a photo and wrap text it, all right? So let's jump in that one. So first thing you want to do is click here and insert, right? And notice you can take this photo from a desktop. You can also take photo from the internet. So I'm going to do from the internet, right? So notice you bring up this particular box is right here. Notice OneDrive, your personal account. So you can actually take photo from that, right? But I'm going to go to use Blink search, right? I'm going to type in a monkey here, and then I'm going to press enter, right? So we're going to do that. So I say insert it, and then you wrap text it, right? Wrap text it carefully, and let me search for it. Alright, let me click on this one. Alright, let me go back. Alright, notice as I click on this insert, I'm going to click on that. Right, notice click on the page. Right, so let me see for the right one. No, this is not the one that I really want, but I'm going to take it to me. Alright, so I'm going to wrap text it. If I right click, when I right click, if you notice this little box come up, this is this word wrap text. Alright, so I want to put it in tight. If I click on tight, notice what happened. Alright, so look for next instruction. That's it. How to put the photo in the middle of the paragraph. Right, first thing, if I want to wrap text it, I press tight. Here it goes. So I'm going to size it down like that. Notice the photo actually in the middle of the paragraph so far. Right, so now it's in the middle of the paragraph. Now I want to make some adjustment to it. So if you notice, as I click on the photo, notice, okay, so the picture toolbar, so when I click on the picture toolbar, right, all of these can make format to it. I want to click on this pointer. Notice, look at the picture carefully. Notice now, put it on one of these icons. Notice, if I come around the picture, if you notice, very unique. Alright, I want to choose this one. Alright, and notice if I carry it up a little here. Alright, notice all the words there around it. They're very important. This is how you do it. So sometimes open exercise book, whatever you might see this particular thing inside. Alright, so very important. Alright, for the next one, alright, is the other column to the document. Alright, so let me see that one now. So the first thing you wanted to do, right, to do that, right, you want to click on page layout. Some of you use layout, depending on the version Microsoft you're using, right? So this is the column. So you're going to click, you're going to select the two. Alright, you notice when I select the two column, you notice it's actually split in two. Alright, so let me scroll up and look on it. Alright, if you notice, right, notice the cover page don't move. Alright, let me try and shift the photo a bit. Alright, nice, the photo start to take shape, just like that along with the page border. Alright, so let me see what going next. Right, it's the insert page number to the document, right? But what I want now, I want to insert page number, but I don't want it on the cover page. Alright, so I want to click on insert, right, and here you go. right on the head and footer, you click on here page number, right? If you notice right here, so you say top, right? And if you notice you go up right here, so right, this show your bottom, right? If you notice, you can actually come right at this with a pointer and scroll down, looking at the various type of numbers. Alright, so if I want to put it here, I put it here, I can actually click on that one. Alright, and if you notice right there, right, I can click back here on design, and then it say close it. I close it. Alright, so we're going to check the cover page. Alright, you notice the cover page, there's no number on the cover page. Let me go up a bit more. You notice there's no number on the cover page. Alright, but if you notice, right, look on the cover page, there's no number on the cover page. Alright, but if you notice here, it's the 1 of 1. Alright, and you come down. Notice when you come down, alright, let me get down somewhere that you can see. Alright, you notice this particular section where it's the 1 of 1. Alright, let me see what's really going on here with this document. Alright, alright, good. So good. Alright, so you notice it's on the condition alone. So pay close attention to that. Alright, the next thing you want to looking at now, right, is the insert a page border on all pages except the cover page. Right, this one so is another trouble factor to a lot of students and a lot of maybe teacher using this particular document. Right, so what I want to do is to come here. Right, so what we want to do, we want to insert page border. So right, so in order for me to do that, I have to click on design. So first one, I might click on page layout. Right, so come all the way over here. When I say background pages, so what I want is page border. So click on page border. Alright, here itself, here is a preview. If I click on this, it shows up here. But you notice it don't show up on the page. When you show up on the page, I'll click copy. Alright, if I come right here, notice it's art. You know, so these are pretty document, pretty border. If I click it, you notice over here to look. Alright, so I can actually scroll down some more here. I scroll some more and that, but maybe you might do in a project which you don't need so fancy border, so you take one of these. Right, so when you click it now, right, the next thing you wanted to do, right, you notice it applies an old document. You want to come right here. Remember, you don't want it on the cover page. You click right here. And notice it says this section, and said this section, the first page only, and this says this section except the first page. So when I click on that now, then I click on OK. Right, and if you notice there's a page border, right, and if I scroll up, you realize the cover page don't have a border. Right, very important to pay close attention to that. Only this page alone has border, and that's exactly how it actually works. And that is the last thing on the instruction page that you can actually do. So remember to like, subscribe this channel, and then the next video will be coming up shortly. Alright.